So what I thought I'd do today was show you what engine the Mustang's got in it. So it's a 289 cubic inch V8, which equates to 4.7 litre. What I've done, I've had this engine rebuilt because somebody, I don't know why, but somebody drilled the valves out. They had, I'm assuming to try and make a bigger combustion chamber, but I don't know why. So what I had to do, I had to put new cylinder heads on it. It's the original block. It's got new cylinder heads on it. It's got it had I put electronic ignition on it, and it had a new head-over carburetor on it, and I'm currently waiting to get some exhaust manifolds for it, so we'll have to see about that. But it's basically a standard Mustang. It's got about 270 horsepower, I think it should have. About that. But, that's it really. Yeah.